Hey, Hair Rules fam. I am just coming on here to give you a heartfelt thank you for all of our new subscribers and followers on Instagram, subscribers on YouTube. You've shown us a lot of love, and it feels good to know that we're on the right path and giving you the type of information that you've been asking for and helping to make sense of a very convoluted industry where, they just take you down the rabbit hole. I feel like my goal here and my lane is to really tell the truth about things that you've heard and know or not know to be true about your hair. And how to have the best practices, finding a regimen that's specific to yours. And so it also solidified my purpose and our purpose here at Hair Rules, which is to help you really fall in love with your hair texture. And so to see the engagement has been really wonderful, and it feels good. And I just wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart at Hair Rules that you continue to tune back in and send in your questions, and we hope that you're getting the best of information that is being helpful. Has been helpful to you for your natural hair journey. So, thank you, and have a great holiday.